I'm sick through my memories and everything that used to be. Taking stock in my life, sifting through my history. I do this time and time again. It's like talking to an old friend, one who's been there all along and will be till the end. I can relive the past, and that's okay. There's still road construction underway, but the road back through my life, I know it so well. Right turn takes me to heaven, and the left takes me to hell. Good or bad, I love the scenery, but this road back through my life was made by me. And so I'll take my lessons learned. The past is like a bridge that's burned. My mind's eye is the only way out every turn. Yeah, I know I still have some tolls to pay. Still road construction underway, but this road back through my life, I know it so well. The right turn takes me to heaven, and the left takes me to hell. Good or bad, I love the scenery, but the road back through my life